In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the delivery address on Wayfair, whether it's before placing an order or afterward. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you've recently moved or if there's a hiccup in your initial shipping details. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Wayfair website. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account if you haven't already. Look for the login button at the top of the page and enter your credentials to access your account. Now let's tackle what needs to be done before placing an order. If you want to change an address that you'll be using for a future purchase, head over to the My Account section. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Once you're logged in, click on My Account and then select Addresses. Here, you can add a new address or edit an existing one, ensuring your shipping details are updated correctly for your next purchase. Once you've made the necessary changes, don't forget to hit Save to ensure your updates are applied. What if you've already placed an order and need to change your shipping address? Not to worry, we've got you covered. Head back to the My Account area and click on My Orders. Now, locate the specific order that requires an address change. If the option is available, you will see Change Shipping Address. Click on that link. You'll be prompted to enter your new address, so make sure to input the updated details carefully. Once you're done, save your changes. After all these steps, it's important to verify that everything has been updated correctly. You should receive an email confirmation highlighting your updated delivery details. Make sure to check this email thoroughly. It's your final checkpoint to ensure that all changes have been successfully applied and that your order will arrive at the right location. Hopefully, this makes managing your orders on Wayfair a breeze. Remember, staying on top of your delivery details can save you a lot of stress and ensure that all your orders reach you without a hitch. Whether you're shopping for furniture, decor, or any home essentials, having this piece of knowledge will help you keep your orders on track. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to shop with confidence on Wayfair. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below, and we'll be sure to get back to you soon. Happy shopping!